Hello friends, warm welcome to all of you. Today we will see grade of concrete and their proportions and their uses. So first grade of concrete, M5. So first of all, what is meant by M and what is the meaning of 5? M stands for mix and 5 stands for minimum compressive strength of concrete at the end of 28 days in Newton per mm square. M stands for mix and 5 stands for minimum compressive strength of concrete at the end of 28 days in Newton per mm square. So what is the proportion of grade of M5 concrete? 1:5:10. 1 part of cement, 5 part of sand and 10 part of aggregate, which is used for lean concrete base. Grade M5 grade of concrete, it is a very lean mixed concrete and it can be used in any non-structural work because it has less compression strength. Also it is generally used in foundation as PCC, means plain cement concrete. So next, grade of concrete M7.5. The proportion of M7.5 is 1 part of cement, 4 part of sand and 8 part of aggregate, which is used for lean concrete base. The grade of M7.5 of concrete, which is used nowadays, which is used in place of that for foundation. Generally it is used for trench fills. So next grade of concrete, M10. The proportion of M10 grade of concrete is 1 part of cement, 3 part of sand and 6 part of aggregate, which is also used for lean concrete base and it is used for leveling. So M15 grade of concrete and their proportion is 1 part of cement, 2 part of sand and 4 part of aggregate, which is used for plain cement concrete structure and which is also used for coarse sand bedding for footings. The next grade of concrete is M20 and their proportion is 1:1.5:3, means 1 part of cement, 1.5 part of sand and 3 part of aggregate. M20 grade of concrete is used for RCC, means reinforced cement concrete, for general constructions. RCC works for slabs, beams, columns and so on. M25 grade of concrete, which is proportion is 1:1:2, 1 part of cement, 1 part of sand and 2 part of aggregate. So this is used for RCC, for footing, column and beam, and it is usually preferred for high-rise building like 3 or 4 stories to resist the high range load and for constructing beam, column and slab, etc. M30, the proportion of grade of M30 is 1:1:3, 1 part of cement, 1 part of sand and 3 part of aggregate, which is used for RCC in seawater and post tension PCC. This is very important for the civil service exam M30 grade of concrete is used for post-tension PCC, and M40 grade of concrete which is used for pre-tension PCC. PCC means plain cement concrete. M30, the ratio of proportion of M30 grade of concrete is 1:1:3 and used for RCC in seawater, post-tension PCC and water tank. M40, there is a no proportion, we have to design proportion mix, and it is used for pre-tension PCC, high-rise structure and bridges. Okay, so some important points related for civil engineering competitive exam. So first point is the compressive strength of concrete cube is 15 cm, cured at 28 days, expressed in Newton per mm square. So how to calculate the modulus of elasticity of concrete? Modulus of elasticity of concrete. So first of all, calculate the modulus of elasticity of concrete for short term and long term. So by using short term, the formula is EC is equal to capital EC. Capital E means modulus of elasticity of concrete is equal to 5000 square root FCK Newton per mm square. This is FCK means characteristic strength of compressive strength, and B, modulus of elasticity of concrete is for long term EC by 1 plus theta. This is very important for civil service exam. Expansion joint. Structure more than 45 meter length should be designed with one or more expansion joints. Okay, so all these points is very important for civil service exam. Thank you.